In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth zoom-in animation using Canva. This is a simple yet effective technique to add some dynamic movement and interest to your projects, whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or even a video project. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an easy-to-use graphic design platform that's perfect for all sorts of visual content, from Instagram posts to videos. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, you'll need to open the design that you want to apply the zoom in animation to. You should already have your images uploaded or use one of Canva's extensive libraries of visuals. Choose the image you wish to animate. For this tutorial, let's select one key image to focus on. The beauty of using Canva is that it allows you to play around with various templates and assets to bring your concepts together seamlessly. Now that you have your image, let's start creating the animation. First, you'll want to duplicate your chosen image across 3 separate pages. This might seem odd at first, but duplicating allows us to create that gradual zoom effect. Each duplicate should be slightly zoomed in compared to the last. To do this, you'll click on your image and use the resizing handles to enlarge it a bit more on the next page. The idea is to make the transition smooth for the viewer so that the image appears to zoom in naturally. With your pages set up, let's move on to the fun part, adding transitions. Move your cursor between these pages. You should see an option pop up that says Add Transition. Click on this to reveal a list of transition effects. In this case, we'll want to select Match and Move. This transition effect will seamlessly animate the zoom across your duplicated images, giving the illusion of a fluid zoom-in effect. Take a moment to explore the settings, but for this tutorial, we're going to adjust the duration to 1 second. This gives just the right amount of time for the eyes to comfortably absorb the animation without feeling rushed or too slow. Don't forget to repeat this transition for all the subsequent pages where you've duplicated your image. The key here is consistency, so make sure each transition is set to the same duration to ensure the animation flows smoothly from one page to the next. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully created a zoom-in animation using Canva. Play back your work to see the effect in action and be impressed by how professional it looks. Whether you're enhancing a presentation or spicing up a video, this technique can enhance any project. Thank you for watching and happy designing.